Today I will describe transportation problem and demonstrate its use in a clinical laboratory problem. Objective of a transportation problem is to minimize transportation cost of a given commodity from a number of sources to a number of destinations. So there are more than one sources and there are more than one destinations. The conditions for transportation problem include each source has a limited supply, that is maximum number of products that can be sent from it. Each destination has a demand to be satisfied, that is minimum number of products that need to be shipped to it. The cost of shipping or transport from a source to a destination is directly proportional to a number of units shipped, and there is no other cost. The input data of a transportation problem can be represented in the form of a matrix where rows represent m number of sources and columns represent n number of destinations. Costs of transportation of a single unit of product from first source, that is O1, to first destination, that is D1, is C11. This is the unit cost. And the supply of the first source is in total A1. So if we sum all the supply and if we sum all the demand, if total supply is equal to total demand, then our problem is a balanced transportation problem. So mathematically, transportation problem is a minimization problem. Objective is to find a set of xij to meet supply and demand requirements at a minimum distribution cost. So this is the objective function. This is the unit cost, and this is the amount of or quantity of product supplied from source I to destination J. So Xij is the amount of product. So for each source, the total amount of product should be less than or equal to the total amount which can be supplied from that source. And for each destination, the total amount of product shipped to that destination should be more than or equal to the demand of that destination. And the quantities xij must be more than or equal to 0. So this is the mathematical representation of our transportation problem. It is a minimization problem. So how to solve this and get an optimum solution? The theorem is that the necessary and sufficient condition for a transportation problem to have a solution is that the total demand equals the total supply. So the total demand, that is A1 plus A2 till AN and B1 plus B2 till Bn, they both are equal. If they are not equal, we need to add a dummy row or a dummy column as the case may be. And there are these methods of manual solution of transportation problem. We can find initial basic feasible solution using northwest corner method or least cost entry method or Vogel's approximation method. We can test the optimality of this initial basic feasible solution using stepping stone method or a modified distribution method. Now I will demonstrate the use of transportation problem to solve the problem of a clinical laboratory. So for example, a multi-city clinical laboratory chain have clinical laboratories located at New Delhi, Pune, and Hyderabad. These are cities of India. So the laboratory chain have centers at New Delhi, Pune, Hyderabad. These laboratories can handle the following load of basic biochemical test. So this is the total amount of service that these centers can provide. New Delhi can test 350,000 samples per year. Pune can test 450,000 samples per year, and Hyderabad can test 250,000 samples per year. The clinical laboratory chain, this multi-city clinical laboratory chain, have following demand, which is business to business, of tests from these locations. So it has a demand for tests from Bhopal, from Jammu, from Kanpur, and from Jamnagar. These are again cities from India, and these are the quantities of demand for tests. So in a tabulated manner or in a matrix form, the problem can be represented as this. These are the sources or service provider laboratories, and these are the centers which demand for test. And these are the demands, and these are the service capacities which can be provided. So the total of the service capacity is equal to total demand. Hence, our this problem is a balanced transportation problem. Now we will solve it using Python code. We will use the PULP library for solving this problem in Python. First of all, we will represent our data matrix. So this is our data matrix, and we make list of laboratories. We make list of business to business locations. These are various demands. This is the dictionary of laboratory capacity, and this is the dictionary of cost for all labs and business to business demand. Then we set our problem. So first of all, we name our problem, and it is a minimization problem. These are routes from one source to other destination for all labs and for all business to business locations. This is the decision variable or xij variable, and it should be more than or equal to 0. Hence, we have written 0 here. This is the objective function. So objective function is to minimize this cost and multiplied by the quantities for all the routes. And these are the constraints. First constraint is for capacity, and the second constraint is for demand. So this is the code for printing the result, and the result is as follows. So this is the solution to a transportation problem using Python codes. Thank you very much.